Hey guys, welcome back. It's another week options update. Now, what a difference a day makes. If you guys were with me every week, you'll remember my last week's commentary about, just kind of holding on in a holding pattern. And I didn't expect things to play out the way they played out, right? I was talking about being assigned a bunch of stuff on this past Friday, and that didn't happen at all. What ended up happening is a big run up right before the Fed announcement of the interest rate hike. Now, Tuesday we had a big run up, and I thought to myself, Wednesday's just going to be a flat day. And then depending upon what the Fed says, it was either going to, go down or go up, basically. Well, since we had that strong day on Tuesday and we had that really strong day heading up to the Fed announcement, I took that as an opportunity to just get out of the way. I really, it was just kind of a just in case thing. With two strong run-ups, and then, if the Fed decided to do something totally off the wall, it could have been a rug pull situation. And I just figured, these two big run-ups was a gift to just kind of get out of the way, and that's what we did here. So this video is going to be a little long because I closed out a whole bunch of positions, and we'll go through each one of them. I'll try to make it as quick as possible, and then I'll try to give you an idea of what I'm going to do going forward. So if you're new here, like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Down below in the pinned comment and in the description, ways you can support the channel, I would appreciate it. I go through 5 days of trading in these videos. That is the previous Wednesday to this week's Tuesday close. So 5 complete days of opens, closes, losses, rolls, all that good stuff. So strap in, and we will go through them all here. So we'll go through all the closes, and we started on the 15th of last. No, wait, I do Wednesday. So the 16th. And that's when I started closing everything. So we closed the TQQQ, closed that out for $242. Not much profit there, $28.69 in 44 days. Now, some of these were parts of rolls, so I exited all of these just in case. So we're going to have to do some rebuilding here. SPLG closed that out for 30 cents, made 35 bucks in 40 days. QLD, that's the 2x leveraged version of the TQQQ, basically. Closed that for $3.80 for a $40 loss. SPLG, another one, 30 cents, made $39.60 in 33 days. SOXL, I had 25 strike there, closed that for 84 cents, made 80 bucks in 33 days. My QQQQ, I had a 320 strike there, closed that out for $4.79, so made 220 bucks there in 33 days. SPYV, that's the S&P 500 value stock ETF, closed that for 10 cents, made $39.60 in 30 days. QYLD, closed that one out for 20 cents, made 30 bucks in 30 days. KRE, that is the regional bank sector ETF, closed that for 55 cents, made 38 bucks there in 30 days. Intel, closed those 245 strikes out for 92 cents, made 46 bucks in 30 days. Lemonade, I closed that put out for 80 cents, lost 18 bucks there. XYLD, closed that out for 15 cents, made 34 bucks there in 27 days. Another Intel I had, it was a 40 strike, closed that one for 12 cents for 42 bucks in 26 days. TNA, closed that 140 put for $1.15, made 35 bucks in 16 days. Another TNA, closed that one for $1.90, 37 bucks in 16 days. SOXL, closed those two contracts there for 61 cents, made 36 bucks in 16 days. Another set of QILDs, 5 of them, closed that one for 20 cents, made 26.50 in 15 days. Bank of America, closed that one down for 55 cents, made 46 bucks in 15 days. Camping World put, $26 put, closed that one down for 65 cents, made 29 bucks in 12 days. Dutch Bros, I closed that 35 strike out for 65 cents, made 59 bucks in 9 days. Lemonade put, closed this one out for 85 cents, made 24 bucks in 7 days. ARKK, closed this one down. Those were in the 60s all the way back from December. We've been rolling that since December. Closed this one out at $2.43, profited $812 in 16 days. And this was a part of a roll, so we rolled out to one more week, which is this one. So you'll see this one on the opening side as well. But we ended up closing those out for $2, made $563 in 4 days. So these ARKKs, as it keeps running up, I'm just peeling off premium, because this was a pretty big position. 7 contracts. I think it was upwards of what was it right there, 359 times 7, so 2,300 bucks just in ARKK. And we rolled that out again, right? So you'll see that here shortly. So let me take a breath. And that was all the closings. Like I said, in hindsight, I could have left all this stuff on and it would have been fine. But I didn't want to leave myself open to the Fed sticking their foot in their mouth and the market going haywire when I could have gotten out and reset. So basically, this is kind of a reset for me. So now let's look at what we opened. And that isn't as long. So we'll go down 316. I think it was right after they announced, I put a strangle on GDXJ, which is the gold miners ETF. I did a 40 put and a 55 call. Got 80 cents or 80 bucks and 47 bucks for each of those. Put on SOXL back on out to April 29th. Both of those were. Did a 20 strike. Got 75 bucks each for 2 of those. Got back into Intel. Did the 40 strike out to April 29th. Got 60 bucks for 2 of those. Or I should say got 60 bucks for each of those and did 2 of them. So 120 bucks. There's the ARKK, that we opened on 318 and closed on 322. We just peeled the premium off and rolled it to another week. You'll see that down here. XYLD, I got one fill out to May 20th for 60 bucks at a 47 strike. Leggett and Platt, I did a April 14th one. 35 strike. If you look at a chart, 35 is basically the 52-week low of this thing, and I would not mind taking ownership of Leggett and Platt, Dividend Aristocrat at 35 bucks. At basically its 52-week low. I would not mind that at all. So I sold one contract and got 60 bucks for it. KWeb is the China ETF. I typically don't play China stocks, but I will play an ETF every once in a while. They had a nice down day after a big run up, and so I took that opportunity and found a 20 strike out to April 29th, sold 2 of them and got 48 bucks a piece for those, so $96 off of KWeb. Camping World, I sold a put, 26 strike out to April 29th and got 70 bucks for that one. And here's my final ARKK, not final, but here's my ARKK one we did Sold 7 contracts at the 60 strike. It was basically just a roll, same strike, just one more week out, and we got $2.33 for each of those contracts for $1,634. So this the value amount of these 7 contracts just keeps shrinking as we peel profit off of it. And finally, Dutch Bros went all the way out to May 20th and did the 40 strike and got $145 for it. Dutch Bros has just ran. I kind of figured I should have just bought some back in the 40s, but I was thinking that I'd probably get assigned, and you never know. We might get another opportunity there. So that's it. That's literally all that we have open, basically. If we sort this, there you see the entire portfolio. I have a QQQ that is still sitting there. That goes out to June at a 260 strike, so that's not gonna. I'll probably close that here pretty soon and move it up to a closer date. Then I have a covered call on the Camping World stock that I held. So that's all of it. So now let's take a look at premium cooking. So here you see premium cooking. This is week ending March 22nd, which was today, or should be yesterday when you're watching this. Closed 25 positions for the week, opened 11. Profit realized for the week, $2,290.52. Sold premium, $3,020.86. And since we bought some of that back, total premium cooking is only $2,801.23. Maintenance margins sitting pretty low now at $18,700, pretty much almost cut it in half there. And in buying power usage, only 15.45%. So we have plenty of room to put some things on here. Cash balance down a little bit because of all the buybacks that we've done. So down to $81,902. Not upset with that at all. And the big number, the net liquidity jumped almost $10,000 in 5 days. So big move there. Went from $111,800 to $121,000 as of close of business Tuesday. So very pleased with that. I'm not very far off from where I started now. So big, quick recovery on the account. Return on maintenance margin. That's the return. Profit realized divided by what the maintenance margin used to generate that return was. That's 6.72%. And return on net liquidation is the profit realized divided by the net liquidity of the account the previous week. So that was 2%. So a big week for me. And I have no regrets about closing all that and getting out of the way of the potential market and what the Fed could do, because you just never know. I looked at it as a gift. No regrets whatsoever. I'm reset now. I feel a lot better, and we got room to play now. So, hindsight is never it's always 2020. And, you make the best decision that you can with the information that's provided with you at the moment. So what I saw was 2 big up days. I saw a whole bunch of premium that I had out there cooking. 2 big up days preceded an announcement by the Fed that they could have went, in a different way and could have really handicapped me. So, I'm extremely happy with the way things turned out. So overall, we'll look at the percentage decrease for the year for me. So I started out the year $123,100 in net liquidation value, and Tuesday's close was $121,000. So for the year, down 1.7%, and handily, finally beating all the indexes so far. If you'll see, S&P in second place here, down, basically 6% for the year. The Russell down 8% for the year. The Dow Jones down 4.8 for the year, and the Nasdaq still down 11% for the year. So extremely pleased with the way things are going. What I'm going to do from here is just look for solid stocks that I really want to own. Like I said, Leggett & Platt falls into that category. Intel falls into that category. And then I'll be looking at doing ETFs as well. But, if it's a dividend aristocrat, dividend king, something like that, that's trading at a very cheap valuation, I am going to look at that, and I'm going to sell puts based on the support levels, and I'm going to do that with ETFs as well. So that's all I got. Hope you guys had a great week. If you didn't sell out before if you didn't step out of the way before the Fed announcement like I did, you probably are doing very well as well, and congratulations. Hope you guys are having a great one, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye-bye. I am not a financial advisor. The information contained in this video is for entertainment and informational purposes only. It is not intended to be investment advice. Please seek a licensed professional for any investment, tax, or legal advice. Thank you.